Hi, this is Wu Zhang. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce the newly released Expedition Molle panel from Mars Adventure Gear. If you've seen my previous videos, you know I'm already using several products from Mars Adventure Gear. I have a rooftop tent, so I also installed their level bar kit, and I especially like mounting my awning on their expedition rack. I've been seeing more and more Cybertrucks on the road lately, so I'm really happy that I can add a little more character to mine, and the products are really solid, which is great. Mars Adventure Gear sent me their Expedition Series Molle panel, and today I'll be unboxing it and showing you how to install it. Just like with their other products, it was nicely packed. Inside the smaller box, there's a list of components, 6 rubber pads, and 4 plates that mount to the base connectors. Installation tools like drivers or wrenches aren't included, so make sure you have a hex wrench and a tool to tighten the bolts ready. The Molle panel came carefully wrapped in styrofoam and plastic to prevent dents and scratches. The panel is nice and thick, 3mm thick stainless steel with a powder coating, so it should be resistant to corrosion and scratches. There weren't any instructions included, but if you've purchased Mars products before, the installation process is very simple. You mount these plates to the base connectors and then attach the Molle panel. The rubber feet are mounted on the back of the panel to prevent shaking and collisions with the Cybertruck's body. I placed the rubber feet at the front, middle, and back and secured them with the provided bolts. It's not hard to change their positions even after installation. Mars Adventure Gear's base connector is designed to mount various accessories, and the one I have installed right now is the sidebar. Unfortunately, you can't install both at the same time, so I'll remove the sidebar first before I start the installation. Mount the provided plates onto the base connector. You can tighten them with a hex wrench, and then you place the Molle panel on top. I put it on to check the fit, and I noticed a slight smudge where the rubber pad touched the Cybertruck's body, probably from the oil in the rubber. So, to prevent smudges, I wiped the area with an alcohol pad, and if you're really concerned about this, you could wrap the rubber with tape. First, I loosely tightened the bolts at the front and back, and then adjusted the position. Once I confirmed it aligned well with the body line, I tightened all the bolts securely. The panel doesn't sit flush against the body. There's a gap of about 3 to 4 centimeters, which seems to be intentional, so you can easily reach in and work when mounting accessories to the Molle panel. You can install the other side in the same way. If you have existing accessories, remove them, install the Molle panel plates, and then mount the panel on top and secure it. It's mounted outside of the body, so I don't think I'll be mounting things on it all the time, but it'll be convenient for attaching lights or pouches when camping. Since it is placed on the very back of the Cybertruck, the Molle panel shape is triangular. If the panel can extend more to the front, mounting longer accessories and utilizing the panel will be more useful. Also, keep in mind that the size of the mounting squares on the Molle panel may be bigger than on your other Molle panel that you may own, so it's possible that you will need a bigger plate to mount something. Adding this accessory to the sleek stainless steel body makes it look a little more like a tank. I'm excited to hear more accessory options from Mars Adventure Gear soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See ya!